friends, let us now learn some important points about the growth hormone. Okay, growth hormone, if you see, control of growth hormone secretion. Control of growth hormone secretion is seen mainly with the most maximum secretion in growth hormone occurs in adolescent, followed by children, followed by adults. Okay, maximum growth hormone secretion occurs in the sleep, and growth hormone secretion is in the pulsatile release is seen. Okay, and it is increased in strenuous exercise. In any strenuous exercise, these growth hormone levels are increased. Growth hormone receptors are mainly developed at 36 weeks. Now, if growth hormone receptors are developed at 36 weeks, how does the fetus grow? Fetal growth will occur by insulin mainly, and other hormones like insulin like growth factor 1, insulin like growth factor 2 are also useful in growth of the fetus. Now, let us now learn about the factors which control the growth. If you see the factors controlling the growth hormone, first we have hypoglycemia. Fasting, hypoglycemia in fasting and exercise will increase the growth. Then increased amino acid in the plasma, especially that is high protein meal, will obviously increase the growth. Then if the patient is put in stressful stimuli like in surgery or trauma, okay, this will obviously increase the growth. Then growth is also increased in sleep, that is in growth hormone production is increased in sleep, that is REM sleep is stimulatory, whereas NREM sleep is stimulatory, and REM sleep will inhibit the growth hormone. Okay, REM sleep will inhibit the growth hormone and it will promote the prolactin, LH and FSH. Okay, so these are the important factors which control the growth hormone secretion. Now, if you see what are the functions of growth hormone. Now we have seen the secretions and factors. Now functions. Growth hormone will first it will decrease the glucose uptake. Okay, growth hormone will decrease the glucose uptake, increase the lipolysis, and thus it increases the free fatty acids. It decreases the insulin resistance. Okay, then growth hormone also increases the protein synthesis. By increasing the protein synthesis, it will increase the lean body mass. Okay, then it will also increase the sodium, potassium and water retention. Okay, then it will stimulate the bone and cartilage growth. One important thing about growth hormone is it will produce insulin like growth factor, which is actually an anti-lipolysis agent. It will inhibit this insulin like growth factor will inhibit lipolysis, and it increases the protein synthesis in chondrocytes. Because of increased protein synthesis in chondrocytes, this is responsible for increasing linear growth. Then this increased insulin like growth factor will increase the protein synthesis in the muscle, and thus it will increase the lean body mass. So these are the important functions of growth hormone. Thank you for watching.